Hi, I'm Jessica from goodenoughandstuff.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making kind of spring roll inspired sandwiches. They're really good. I think you'll like them. My kids really liked them because they like sushi. When we lived in Florida, we would get sushi sometimes from a local grocery store, and it was really good and it was really fresh, and we really liked the spring rolls. So Nathan created it. It's really delicious, and it's really fast to put together. Make sure that when you do the carrots, you grate them and then you put them in a bag and you microwave them for like 30 seconds. You don't necessarily have to do this, but it is good to just get them a tiny bit softer. You can microwave them even longer if you want them really soft. Also, with the onions, if you want to cut out some of the bite of the onion, then you could microwave them also for about 30 seconds in a bag, or just cover it in a bowl. So I used like a third of a carrot for this, and it was like, it was a massive carrot. I'll put a picture in here of it. But it was so big that I only needed like a third of it. So I'll have to figure out what to do the rest of it. Maybe some carrot cake or something, or I'll just shred it up and put it in the freezer for later. The sandwich is super easy and great for summer because you don't really have to do any cooking, but it's like a really full meal. It's delicious and there's a lot of vegetables in it too. I recommend just trying the sandwich just as is, because it sounds like it's going to be weird. We have like shredded carrots and cucumbers and raw onions and a couple different sauces, and you're just like, oh man, it's going to be a lot, it's going to be weird. But honestly, it's like the flavors go really well together. They're really, really, really good. And like the onion just adds like the tiniest little flavor to it, even though like you'll see that I put a good handful on there, and the carrots I put like a good handful of those. Like, because there's like a lot of ham, and like the flavor of the chili sauce and the ginger just kind of take over a little bit, and it's just so good. So I really encourage you to just try it as is before you decide to take out something that you don't normally like or that you don't usually eat on something. So just try it first, and just trust me, it's good. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell down below. And also head on over to my website, goodenoughandstuff.com, for the recipe and the blog post and more pictures and lots of other things like chocolate cookie dough truffles and other kinds of cookies and some sewing tutorials. And there's going to be a lot more to come too. I've got so many cool things planned for the future. You could also subscribe to my email, and you'll get kind of a weekly-ish, every week or two email with some extra things and some sneak peeks for the future. So thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.